Okay, folks, today we are at A1 Aluminum doing a COVID-19 cleaning and sanitizing. And as you can see, Miss Deborah is cleaning the shower. We will keep you updated. Okay, folks, today we are at A1 Aluminum and we're doing a COVID-19 cleaning. And as you can see, first of all, we have to clean everything with a solution, which is a degreaser, and then everything will be sanitized. And as you can see, we clean from top to bottom. And don't forget the legs on that chair. Okay, folks, we are now sanitizing the doors and everything in this bathroom. And as you can see, the front and back of all doors and door frames are sanitized and clean. We are at A1 Aluminum today doing a COVID-19 cleaning and sanitizing. Stay tuned. Okay, as you see, folks, we are still continuing to clean before we sanitize. Let me move this chair. Okay. All chairs have to be cleaned with a solution and then sanitized. And as you can see, we are washing these chairs down with a degreaser. And we will be sanitizing after they're dry. So the next part will be the sanitizing. Stay tuned. This is QualiCare Maids, and today we're over at A1 Aluminum doing a COVID-19 cleaning and sanitizing for all of these beautiful offices. As you can see now, we are now sanitizing the chairs after cleaning them with a degreaser. Get the bottom of that chair, miss. Get those legs. There you go. Sometimes we even have to correct the workers to make sure they sanitize everything. Okay, we will keep you tuned. But everything is sanitized from the top of a surface to the bottom of a surface after it's been wiped. Okay, we are getting ready to sanitize the furniture. Okay, now we are cleaning the blinds. I don't think we're going to miss anything today, folks. We love doing this cleaning and sanitizing stuff. It's all we do. 6 days a week. QualiCare Maids. Today we're at A1 Aluminum and Glass. A1 Aluminum and Glass doing the COVID-19 cleaning and sanitizing. Stay tuned. Yes, folks, we are cleaning and sanitizing at A1 Aluminum and Glass today. We are doing a COVID-19 cleaning and sanitizing. Let me give you a walkthrough through here. As you can see, we've got a ton of stuff out. And we're going to see what Deborah is doing. As you can see, we are cleaning the interior of the shelves, cabinets, and everything. Stay tuned. Okay, we are washing down this big office. We just finished this bathroom. As you can see, floors are nice and clean. And now, we're getting this office. We gotta wipe down and sanitize all the blinds and all the furniture. This is a COVID-19 cleaning and sanitizing. We're at A1 Aluminum and Glass today in Charlotte, North Carolina. Stay tuned. Okay, we're finishing up here. And let's do a walkthrough. Okay. We've completed this office. Let's give you a walkthrough. This has been cleaned and sanitized. Now, this office has been cleaned, sanitized, and shined. Okay, now let's go check out this office. Look at the floors, make sure they're good. The blinds. Okay. And let's just look around this office right here. Okay. Here we go. Now, another tour. This is QualiCare Maids, and we are doing a COVID-19 cleaning and sanitizing today. And it's almost Thanksgiving, so this is really nice. This office is clean. Floors are looking great. Okay, now let's walk through the big office. Now, this is a great looking office. As I say, we're doing a COVID-19 cleaning and sanitizing. And this is the bathroom. And everything is looking simply beautiful. Let's check the tub and the shower. Make sure that's good. And the sink. Okay. Now, let's go back and check this area out here. Okay. This office has been cleaned and sanitized. Looking beautiful. Rugs and everything have been vacuumed. Doors all cleaned and sanitized. And this office has been cleaned and sanitized. Now, let's go back And this is another big office. See what we got here. This office has been cleaned and sanitized. Desks have been cleaned, sanitized. Everything is shiny. Now let's go in this bathroom. See what we got. Okay. Okay, folks, stay tuned. We are finishing up now. This first half of the building is done. Okay, we've just got this bathroom cleaned up and everything is looking beautiful. Like they say, nothing like a clean bathroom. This is QualiCare Maids and we're over at A1 Aluminum and Glass today. And we're finishing up. Giving you a walkthrough. Finishing up on the door frames and the doors. And then we got a little vacuuming. This cubicle has been cleaned. And we're getting ready to vacuum. Now look at that hallway floor. Simply beautiful. It's almost the end of a long day. We're over here at A1 Aluminum and Glass in Charlotte, North Carolina. This is QualiCare Maids, and we're going to be signing off real soon after we do the final walkthrough. Okay, folks, we are getting ready to sign off. This has been a COVID-19 cleaning and sanitizing at A1 Glass and Aluminum. Thank you and stay tuned. It has been a beautiful day. Let's give you a walkthrough. Show you how everything looks. And everything is simply marvelous. Now this is a nice conference room. Again, thank you for tuning into the QualiCare Maids videos that we produce. Again, this is A1 Glass and Aluminum. Have a great Thanksgiving.